kayo amin, siya ni Rod. Adawat dito'y tapno ibagat ti maipapan kadagiti mga blon ti Mangilut. Dagito'y ket amoda no kasano ti Mangilut ti bagi ken amoda pay nga isubli dagiti uran. Kitaan tayo dagiti aramiden da.
Action.
Oh my gosh, Shan, your neck has been hurting for 2 weeks. You should have seen a doctor.
I hate doctors. They make you wait so long and they're expensive. Besides, I feel...
Besides what?
I can't move my neck.
Oh my gosh, Shan, we're gonna see a doctor.
Okay. I've been waiting for 40 minutes now.
Oh, I know, right?
It's taking so long.
Oh, where the F is that doctor? We can do that.
Can you believe this? They charged me $200.
No way!
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Yeah. I don't know for what though.
Oh well.
Long wait and expensive bills? Is this what we want? Now let's see what life is with a hilot.
My hand really hurts. You should see my grandma. She nuts. Can I see her now? Okay, let's go.
Hi anak, anya ti problema?
There's pain in my There's pain in my hands and I can't feel my fingers.
Kitayok man. Now passing.
Pain is gone. How much I owe you, Nana?
Uray anya anak, basta ada agas dagiti ima.
Well, this is for you, Nana. I'll get it now.
Awan anyaman na.
Dito'y ti mabalik. Masabiyag sa nakasapulan kaya tumating tabletas wano medisina. Dagiti Mangilut ket tutulungan na kayo nga agasan ti masakityo. Ket awan ti side effects kadagita bagiyo.